Your Excellency, the people of Bukonzo East, requested for what they termed as a mountain transit security road that will move from Kilembe, traversing the mountains into Kituru, to ease communication, accessibility, and security. Let us clap for that. Your Excellency, the people of Bukonzo East, looking at the climatic change that we are facing today, are requesting for a major irrigation scheme to utilize the rivers of Nyamugasani and Kanyambara.
Ekyakabiri nkuyijukya industrial park eya Kasese. Amasanyalazi ogakozere tuina megawatts ezikuhika 200 nezigwamu. Kandi orukumi turwina ekirukora. Hati nitukusaba otekeo industrial park Kasese abantu bafune emirimo.
And therefore we told people that you must be clear that yes, peace is there, development is there, but you must deal with poverty in your home. And that was our message. When we were still students in the 60s, 70s, and when we came into the government, we continued with that same message of wealth creation. And in the manifesto of 1996, we said there are a number of steps each family needs to take. Stop producing for the stomach only, produce for the stomach and the pocket. And secondly, do so with the chivaro. And that's when we proposed the 4 acres model for people with small pieces of land. We said that if the land is already small, from 4 acres downwards, do the following. Number 1, put an acre of coffee. 2, an acre of fruits. So this is what we are going to add on. Now, this is the 3rd tafari NRM has put on Uganda. The Uganda is richer now. We've got a lot of production, more than before. More coffee, more bananas, more cows, more maize, more sugar. Everything is more. But the problem is that there are some of our people who are still outside. And this is what we are struggling with. But the tafari has been put and Uganda is much richer now. Now, these governments in Africa, when you see them collapsing, they are not able to answer the questions. Because you have heard the questions we have been asking since we started here. Now we have gone from there to how do you get jobs? Some people say government. That's a wrong answer. And if you take that, you will be lost. And the country will collapse. Yes, government has jobs. But they are few. Population is very big. And in any case, it's not good to have a country where the majority of the jobs are government jobs. Because government mainly consumes money